I am 6 years old, and I live in a small village with my mom and dad. We have a small cottage with a big garden full of vegetables and flowers. And every morning I help my mom take care of them. One day, while watering the plants, I found a tiny little umbrella. It was so small that at first I thought it was just a toy. But when I picked it up, it felt surprisingly real. The fabric was soft, and it even had a little hook to hold it open. I looked around to see if there was a miniature person nearby who had lost their brolly, but I couldn't see anyone. So I put it in my pocket and went back to helping my mom. The sky turned dark, and the wind picked up. Then, the rain started falling, and I was thrilled, because I love playing in the rain. I pulled out my umbrella, which was huge. I could barely hold it with one hand. But then I remembered the little hook just a thumb in the middle, and it popped open. How cool is that?
Then I noticed something even cooler.
Every time I moved the umbrella, colorful lights appeared. They were coming from inside the canopy. At first they were faint, but then they got brighter and brighter until, wow, the whole world was shining in rainbow colors. Everything looked so beautiful. I spotted a tiny door in the grass, about half a meter tall, made of the same stuff as the umbrella. It had a doorknob and a little window with curtains. Who's it for? I tried to open it, but it was locked. So I searched the garden for a key. I spotted a cute squirrel munching on an acorn in a tree.
Hey, little buddy. Do you know whose door this is?
He paused, shook his head, and pointed toward the cottage. Curious, I followed his gaze and saw my mom watering the plants. Maybe she knows whose door it is. So I ran to her and asked, "Mom, do you know whose door this is?" Mom turned around and followed my gaze. "Oh, is that the magic umbrella door?" she said. "The magic umbrella door?" I asked. She nodded. "It's a very special door. Only those who believe in magic can see it." I looked at her, confused. "But how can I open it?"
Mom smiled and took the umbrella from me.
"You don't need a key to open the magic umbrella door. You just need a friend from Rainbow Land to help you." "A friend from Rainbow Land," I said, repeating after her. Suddenly, I remembered the colorful lights from before. Could they be from Rainbow Land? I looked at my mom. "Will they come if I play the magic umbrella like this?" I asked. Mom nodded and said, "If you believe in magic, the door will open." So I took the umbrella and waved it through the air like a magician. Wow! The lights appeared again and became even brighter than before. Then a beautiful winged creature flew through the door. She had big butterfly wings and a cute little nose. And behind her, a whole group of similar creatures flew through the door, all waving at me. "Hello!" they shouted in unison. "We are the friends from Rainbow Land, and we came to play." I couldn't believe my eyes. All the creatures from Rainbow Land were here.
The door closed behind them, and the first creature turned to me.
Are you the one who called us?
She asked.
I nodded shyly. "I'm Mia," I said. Can I touch your wings?" the creature asked. "Of course," I said. Her wings were soft and warm and felt like feathers. "They're beautiful," I whispered. "And what brings you to Rainbow Land?" I asked. "We came to play, of course," she said. "Would you like to join us?" I nodded happily, and together we went on an exciting adventure through the magical land. We flew from flower to flower, played hide and seek among the trees, and raced with the butterflies. When the sun began to set, we sat down on a mushroom to watch the beautiful colors paint the sky. It had been the best day ever. When the first stars appeared in the sky, the creature told me it was time to go home. "Can I come back tomorrow?" I asked. The creature nodded. "Of course. Just open the magic umbrella door and call us, and we will come and play again." Then she took my hand and waved her magic wand over it. Suddenly, I felt a tingling sensation, and when the light disappeared, my hand was a little sparkly. "Now you are a friend of Rainbow Land," the creature said with a smile. "Thank you," I whispered, and with that, I waved goodbye to all my new friends and stepped through the door. It was so cool. I now had a secret door in my garden that led to a magical land full of adventures. I knew I would never forget my first day in Rainbow Land.